Hi, welcome to our home. Today we're going to do a 15-minute speed clean, try and get this place back in shape. It has been quite the week and my kitchen definitely shows it. So we're just going to set a timer and try and go as fast as we can to get everything cleaned up. Here's a before of how it looks. It's pretty bad, I guess. There's stuff everywhere. The sink is full of dirty dishes. I didn't have time to cook food this week. So there's trash. Yeah. Well, here, let me explain. Like I said, it's been a week. We've had car accidents, and falls, and ER visits, and over time, it's been a lot. And my kitchen sure does reflect that. So we are going to try and do a 15-minute speed clean, try and get this fixed as fast as possible because I have other things that I need to do today as well. So why don't you come on and join me? First I'm going to set the mood and then set my timer. Hey Google, set timer for 15 minutes.
Sure, 15 minutes. Starting now.
And we're off. Okay, kinda. I did start off a little slow, but hopefully I will get faster and get pretty much everything I want to get done in these 15 minutes. Stay tuned to the end to get a really good after to see what all you really can get done in 15 minutes, even with maybe 80% effort like I was putting in. But I'm tired, so I'm giving myself some grace. I still got a lot done. I change out this overfull trash can and I go under the sink to get a new trash bag and it's a new box that's not even open. So I wrestle with that for what seems like 5 minutes and then finally get one and change the trash. Alright, trash can is changed. Now to move on to the dishes. Somehow I didn't have a lot of time to cook very much this week, and yet I still have a sink full of dirty dishes. How does that math? things that I talked about at the beginning. Everyone's okay for the most part. The toddler is totally fine and having a great week. My mom and dad both had birthdays this week, but they are now out of car and had to go to the doctor, so they'll be okay. If you could just keep them in your thoughts and say a prayer if you're the prayer type. It's not super serious, but it's also definitely not a fun time. Even though all that stuff was the most important stuff that happened this week, mostly what made my house end up like this was all the overtime at work that me and my husband did this week. Literally putting out fires in some cases. It's been a lot. Sometimes life just gets in the way and it makes it pretty much impossible to keep up with your beautiful clean house, and it becomes a mess and you gotta play catch up. So I like to do one of these 15-minute quick cleans. It really motivates me because I'm a little competitive, so it makes it into a game. After going through one or two of these in different areas of the house, I've pretty much reset everything, and then from there it's easy to maintain it again. About halfway through my 15 minutes and all I've done is change the trash and do the dishes. But looking back on the mess, that was probably 90% of the problem anyway. Sometimes things can seem super overwhelming and all over the place, but once you actually see what the problem is and just do it one step at a time, you can get it done. And it'll be a lot easier than you thought it was going to be. Also, this whole time I was cleaning, I felt like I was moving so fast. Like I was super speedy, and now watching it back, I'm probably the slowest speed cleaner on the planet. Dishwasher's full, so I'm going to get a detergent pack and start it up. Now to the next task. I have to hand wash my milk frother that's part of my Keurig coffee maker. And then I'm going to hand wash a couple more dishes that are out and about that wouldn't fit in the dishwasher. I keep looking up towards the camera like a creeper because I'm watching YouTube and my laptop is sitting right next to my camera. So just ignore it. But I could probably cancel all of my streaming services and be totally fine just watching YouTube all the time. Okay, Kelsey, stop getting distracted by YouTube and wash dishes. I was watching Scammer Payback while I was doing this, and it is absolutely fascinating. Literally, I couldn't look away. Next time, I'll probably just put on some upbeat music and go about it that way. That way I don't get distracted and slow down trying to pay attention to the video. Comment down below your favorite music to listen to while cleaning, and maybe I'll give that a try next time. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you don't miss my next upload and get a lot more cleaning motivation. Oops. Don't worry, it didn't break. And as always, wash and shine, well, wash my sink. As far as I'm concerned, it's not a clean kitchen unless it has a clean sink. In just a second, I'm going to look at the timer and realize that I, only have 2 minutes left to go. Now I'm going to get the last little bit of trash that's over on the dining room table and throw it away. Well, actually, these are all recyclables, so I'm going to prep those and put it in our little recycle bag here. Except I expected it to be trash, so I almost threw it away. But no fear, it went in the recycle bin. And then I'm going to set this receipt aside so I can scan it into the Fetch app, and that's it. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it! And here's the after of how everything turned out after that 15 minutes. I didn't really get to overhear except to get the trays out of the air fryer and get those washed. But it wasn't that bad to begin with. I didn't wipe off the countertops or stove, but they're really not that bad of shape. yes, there is still a shoe on my dining room table. And there's still mail to go through. But hey, my sink is clean and totally empty. And all the dishes are getting clean, and the countertops are 98% of the way cleared off. It feels really good. Much better than it did 15 minutes ago. So there you go. 15 minutes to take an overwhelming mess into a manageable one. Alright, and that's how much we got done in 15 minutes. So even if you only have a little bit of time, you can still get a lot done, still make your house feel a lot better. I'm gonna spend a couple more minutes just to do some finishing touches and get going with my day. If you need a little more cleaning motivation, click the video on the left, and for a lot more cleaning motivation, click the playlist on the right.